next question. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular and the sides are given as 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So in the question, triangular tiles are given with a measure A equal to 28 cm, B equal to 9 cm and C equal to 35 cm. They are asked to find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. So to find the cost of polishing the tiles means, first of all we have to find the area of one tile, and the design is made up of 16 tiles, so we can find area with the 16 tiles we have to multiply. Then we can multiply with the cost of polishing the tiles per centimeter square. We will get the answer. Now let's solve. As you know that area of a triangle is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is the semi-perimeter. So you can add, we will get the perimeter divided by 2, that is 72 by 2 equal to 36 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. Substitute the value over here. 36 into 36 minus a is 28, 36 minus 9 and 36 minus c is 35 equal to 36 into 8 into 27 into 1. Now do the prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Now make a pair. So we get 6 into 2 into 3 into under the square root we get 2 and 3. That is 6. So 36 root 3. 36 root 6 centimeter square is the area of one tile. That is area of one tile equal to 36 root 6 centimeter square. Therefore, area of 16 tiles equal to 16 into 36 root 6 centimeter square. While multiplying, we get the answer as 576 root 6 centimeter square. So 576 root 6 centimeter square. We can find the value of root 6. I have solved here by taking the division method. We get the value of root 6 as 2.448. Maximum 3 digit after the decimal you have to find out, and we can round up with the 2 decimals, so it will become 2.45. So 576 root 6 becomes 576 into 2.45, that is equal to 1411.2 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cost of polishing the tiles. Here it is given cost of polishing 1 centimeter square tile equal to 50 paise. We have total 1411.2 centimeter square. So the cost of polishing 1411.2 centimeter square tiles equal to 1411.2 multiplied by 50, that is equal to 70,560 paise. We can convert into rupees, so we get rupees 705.60. That is the cost of polishing the tile is rupees 705.60. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share